asunto-osakeyhtiö Irian Pirtti.
Today on the 15th of July 2023, we have Aleksis Kiven here. 14, so I say only one with elevator here, right?
Yeah.
And he's here in Kerava, in the SKS Force region, modernized Finland. It was built in 1988 with only 2 floors.
Yeah.
2035 is all this year, 2023. Will be inspected the next year, 2024, and the same with H65317. Give us these 4 press 3 to 5 grams. And we can get 2 roads here. Traction for just 2 floors.
Yeah.
Something of rotor-hydraulic. In Sweden, maybe even also in Norway, it would be hydraulic,
Yeah.
or in Denmark too.
Yeah.
It would be with a higher higher possibility.
Yeah.
But here's the direction.
Yeah. Expected pakki-wise, but maintain Bashila.
I love these styles.
Yeah, same.
I like also the sounds and the smell in here.
Yeah.
And the wooden interior.
Yeah.
It is really cozy. It's like really great for
That's